Here is Sabit Mohammed. Now with the zero. Imoro Ibrahim. Against an Okra. Who's loud, but with the zero comes to his rescue and returns the ball to Abalora. Almost kept him in possession of Abalora. Kakari tried his luck. And Kotoko, very lucky. Ismail Ganiu stepping up to clear the mess created by Abalora. It's a lucky boy, Abalora. I'm not sure what he was trying to do.
Alright.
But as a goalkeeper, I'm not sure why he steps
Welcome to the stream, guys. Welcome to the stream.
With the ball back to him wasn't the best result, to be fair to him. I should be putting the laces through that, should be clearing that. Kotoko comes close, Okra gets the ball into the net, but Flagado is gone up.
We just scored the goal and the referee just cancelled it. Alright, as you can see, the starting 11 is Razak Abalora, Christopher Nate, Yusuf Mubarak, Abdul Ganiu, Imoro Ibrahim, Habib Mohamed, Mudassir Sadifu, Emmanuel Jimfi, Fabio Gama, Augustine Okra, and Osman Ibrahim.
Swings across in, cleared by Nete, he's fouled. It's a free kick. Fouled by Bright Ando. Kotoko gets the advantage. Nete was in the right place at the right time. Always contribute to the ball. Came in late to get the ball past his man. Yeah, the thing about Valera's games, he's getting sometimes a little bit complacent when he's on the ball. And there's nothing wrong with the goalkeeper clearing his lines and putting the laces through it. That's not too clever. Here is Christopher Nete. Goes down, no foul for Kotoko. Now Gama. With a zero to Imoro. Habib. Control. Here is Asante Kotoko. Moving into enemy territory. And Nikumi was the target from Osman Ibrahim. But Liberty unable to clear their line, so here is Gama.
Scoreline is
Now
still.
for the zero!
Oh,
Goal kick for Liberty.
scoreline is still.
Yeah, pressing there by Thomas Asante Kotoko. Once Osman lost the ball with Asante, made that run to track back and get something and with Asante just setting it up for Gama and then receiving the
Alright, as the first half, the scoreline is still 0-0. And
powerful strike on the ball. I mean, it's a powerful strike on the ball when it gets into those bases. Right, hand off for Liberty. Now, Maxwell Ansa.
you guys should let me know if the live stream is working perfectly. Put in the chat and let me know if you can see me well and if you can hear me. Please let me know if you can see me and if you can hear me. Put down the chat and tell me if you can see me or if you can hear me.
Gasparian was a graduate from the West African Football Academy. He joined from Liberty from Wafa just last season. For the start of the season, as a matter of fact, he was a transfer target for Lagos City as well, but ended up with Liberty. Here is Bart Ando. Adam, now Ansa.
Alright, it's 9 minutes.
Play from Liberty. Evan Sowusu's cross in.
Offside.
Offside. Against Evan Sowusu. That was a good move. Yeah, that was a good move. But they're straight offside already. They didn't keep an eye on the line before making their run. But they've shown that the signs are there. They've shown that the channels and the space are there for them to run into. Obviously, to time their runs better.
Alright, so it's 8 minutes, basically 9 minutes now. It's still 0-0, Kotoko 0, Liberty Professionals
Clever defended from
0. So far, we are not playing very well.
And the criminal Britain stays down the left hand side, shielding the ball all day. Yeah.
Cassidy, no, we cannot show the game. Cassidy, I'm very, very sorry. We cannot show the game. I don't know, because of this thing. We cannot show the game.
Cross by here. Now Nilay. Ando. Lai. To Kofi Bar. He's wearing the armband this afternoon in the absence of the substantive captain, Anson. Kakari.
Actually, Liberty Professionals are playing pretty well. I can say they're playing impressively, and they're not playing like a team that is fighting for relegation. Like, the quality is there. I don't know why they haven't been winning games. We have the ball.
From Ando. Fouls.
Alright, the way the game is that we have been falling back and trying to soak pressure, but we don't have players up front whenever we have the counter attack. That is the problem we are having currently.
His left foot. Poor touch from right hand on the build up, and again he was trying desperately to win the ball off. Gamma used his body well to get in between right and the ball, winning the foul for his team.
Sorry. Alright, I know you guys can see me. Alright, the game, I feel that the game is going to be a very tough one, like I said earlier in this team, but I'm hoping that we'll beat Liberty Professionals, seriously.
Down about that decision. That was impressive there by Kakari. He didn't give up on the chasing. Otherwise, it would be easy for Gadu to, get it cleared, but look at the strike and they didn't give up on it. Just had to make his presence known and force an error from the skipper today. Corner delivered by Wayo, dealt with by Kotoko, but Wayo is lucky to have it back. This time he sets it high, and Amufa, the centre back, is interested in stepping forward. This is Adamu.
Wow.
The side net. Yeah, lovely switch on the play from the far side to the right hand side of the attack from Wayo. The ball there, but Adamu, it's very, very.
Please let me know if you can hear me. I want to confirm that you guys can hear me. I don't know if you can hear me. If you can hear me, please put in the chat and tell me if you can hear me. The scoreline remains Kotoko, Liberty 0, Asante Kotoko 0, and it's 14 minutes so far. And Liberty Professionals are dominating the game. So if you can hear me, let me know in the comment section. I don't know why the network is so slow.
His initial run was so good, but as the ball was played through, then he kept looking for support in the box. Take a look at him; he's always looking in the box, looking for the support. There's no one there, and right here to his eye of the boy, a bit poor control. Followed and almost out for touch. But he's the lead striker and he needs to be supported and backed a bit more by the likes of Fernando and Wayo. So no space in it, find himself in it. Had he seen anybody then he could have just sent to the first time cross. Imora Ibrahim with the serious solid for Fabio Gama. Imora for Asante Kotoko. And that would just want to recover possession for Liberty. Cross by Yellow. Now they'll be stepping forward into Kotoko's territory. He's got Kakari in the middle.
Liberty professionals with the attack. They are playing very well. They are passing very well. It's something that should be applaudable. Like they are dominating the game as usual. That's a corner. That's a corner. Kotoko are leaving dangerously as Liberty professionals are having a lot of chances to cause problems for us. That's a foul. It's a foul. I think I have to use the earphones for the game. Okay. Alright, you guys can hear me. So let's continue with the match. So it's 18 minutes, Kotoko 0, Liberty Professional 0, and Liberty Professionals are dominating. Seriously, they are dominating. They're dominating. I don't think Kotoko have seen the Liberty Professionals goalkeeper. Has a foul on Imoro Ibrahim. I hope you guys are seeing this thing. I can't wait for them to score a goal. It's almost 20 minutes, still 0-0, no one has scored. With a nice cross. Alright, Habib Mohammed. Oh, come on! Habib Mohammed is just shooting the shot. I don't like. Yeah, that's a foul by Habib Mohammed on, I don't know if his name is Wayo. But the thing is that so far so good. 20 minutes. Liberty Professionals have been the better sides, obviously in their home ground, and they are the better sides right now. Hopefully Kotoko just step up and get a goal in the first half, because second half will be very intense if you don't go if you don't get goal in the first half of the game. So if you're joining the stream, tell us where you're joining the stream from. I know a lot of you are not in Ghana. I would like to know where you guys are watching the stream from and what you think about our play so far. Because right now it's 20 minutes, Kotoko 0, Liberty Professionals 0. And so far, Liberty Professionals are dominating the game and it's not encouraging. And Kotoko need to get back into the game if they want to get a positive result out of this game. How? You know, Evans Owusu, when he left Kotoko, I think his last good game for Kotoko was the game against House of Oak at the Accra Sports Stadium. The game we won 2-1. Justice Blay and Nabi Kieta, that late penalty. I think that was the last good game Evans Owusu had for Asante Kotoko. After that, he couldn't replicate his performance, and he eventually had to leave for a free transfer. So that's a foul, ref. Okay, it's a foul. 22 minutes, Kotoko 0, Liberty Professional 0. So I don't think our attack have seen the ball. Osman Ibrahim and Andukumi are barely involved in this game, which means that Liberty Professionals are actually playing very, very, very well. Alright, Safu Samuel just joined and is watching from Dubai. Thanks for joining us, Safu Samuel. Thanks for joining us, Samuel. Liberty Professionals are dominating the game. For those of you that are not watching the game, you should know that Liberty Professionals are dominating. Oh, come on! Why are they playing like this? I don't like the way we are playing so far. We are not playing encouraging. Like, our performance are not being encouraging so far. It's just, I don't know. What is going on? What is going on? What is going on? Liberty Professionals are dominating us very, very well. They've had several chances and they are not taking them. And Kotoko are just defending, defending, defending. We need to step up if we really want to win. We really, really need to step up. We are not playing well so far. We are not playing well at all. Osman Ibrahim gives away possession, and Liberty Professionals are currently on the attack. Liberty Professionals are attacking again after Osman Ibrahim gives away the possession. Hey, that's a throw in against him. 25 minutes gone, Kotoko 0, Liberty 0, and we are not playing well. We are not playing well at all. Okay, we have an opportunity here and they come up with the ball. Passes to Augustine Okra. Moves to Amoro Ibrahim. Amoro Ibrahim tries the chip, but he couldn't. There's Habib Mohammed on the ball. Gives it to Mudasiru. Habib Gama. Let's say at the right wings and he's looking to cross the ball. He passes to Osman Ibrahim. Osman Ibrahim is playing at the wings in this game. Oh, that's a foul. That's a foul on Fabio Gama and a yellow card for Liberty Professionals. Foul on Gama, yellow card for the Liberty Professionals man for a foul on Fabio Gama. And we have a free kick in a very, very promising area. So Fabio Gama is taking the free kick and passes the ball to Amoro Ibrahim. Amoro Ibrahim. Whoa! I think that's our best attempt so far. Amoro Ibrahim tries the long range shots from outside the box, but he couldn't score there. That's our best opportunity in this game. That's our best opportunity in this game. As you can see, the scoreline on the ball there, from where I'm watching, is still 0-0, please. Emmanuel Ato, the scoreline is 0-0. You can see on the screen there. Once they score, I confirm the goal, then all I have to do is I'll just update it for you guys to see. But right now, it's still 0-0. We've been so sluggish so far. I don't understand why we are so sluggish. We should be performing well and we're just playing sluggishly. I don't like the way we are playing so far at all. Liberty, Babasco, Loco. Liberty is dominating us so far. Liberty is dominating us as usual because right now we just allow teams to dominate us. I think we should try and stop that, allowing opponents to play, control the game. They score us first, then we have to come from behind to win it. It's stress, and if we allow teams to continue scoring first, I think it's going to hurt us in the long term. So I feel that so far the performance I'm seeing right now, I don't like it at all. Almost 30 minutes, Kotoko 0, Liberty Professional 0. Not good at all. Not good at all. The performance not good at all. Alright, this is Amoro Ibrahim, Mudasiru. Oh, pass the ball. Oh my god. 30 minutes, Kotoko 0, Liberty Professional 0. This is Yusuf Mubarak, Fabio Gama. Yusuf Mubarak. That's a foul, ref. Unbelievable. That's a foul. That's a foul. No, that's not shoulder to shoulder. So shoulder to shoulder. Baba School Kotoko have not created any meaningful chance so far. Kotoko have not created any meaningful chance so far. Liberty Professionals are the team creating all the chances. Liberty Professionals are the team creating all the chances, and they've been dominating so far. Kotoko have barely had any shot on target in this particular game. I don't think we have had any shot on target. The only shot or the only real opportunity we had was when Aimoro Ibrahim shot flew over the bar from outside the box. That tells you how the game is, because right now we are not entering the box, and Barreto is not happy with what is going on, and he's currently talking with the players that he's not happy with what is going on, while the player from Liberty Professionals receives training. Right now they are not playing well. Kotoko are not playing well at all. No Kotoko fan will be pleased with this performance right now. Mediama is trailing. Are you kidding me? Mediama is losing. We shouldn't get our hopes high. We should just calm down, win this one, and before we consider or talk about Mediama. We shouldn't be depending on Mediama. We should be depending on our own game and try and win our games before talking about any other team. So our focus should be on this particular game. I'm not thinking of Mediama. I'm not thinking of Great Olympics. I'm not thinking of any other team. My focus is on this particular game. Jim Phil with the ball. That's Okra. This is Fabio Gama. He wants to cross the ball. Get in the box. Performance is not encouraging. The performance is not encouraging. It is 32 minutes, 0-0. We are not playing well. At all. We are not playing well at all. We need to do better. Seriously, we need to do better if we want to win this game. We really need to do better, because right now we are not playing well. Liberty Professionals are in a very okay. Wow. Liberty almost scored here. Felix say, I'm watching from the Star Times app. I don't know if you're in Ghana. If you're in Ghana, you can watch from the Star Times app. I have right here on my phone the Star Times app. You can watch it there too. Another chance created by Liberty Professionals. Another chance to score. And unbelievable. It's Fabio Gama, Odasiru, Christopher Nate. There's Christopher Nate with the ball, and he passes to Yusuf Mubarak. Yusuf Mubarak goes front and creates a nice ball. Are you kidding me? That is the best chance we've had so far. Wow. Prince Apia says Kotoko must do everything possible to win this game if we want to win the league. I agree with you. We just created. Oh, I have my Kotoko. What do you call this? I don't know what you call this. The national flag is the national jersey. I just picked it and started wearing it. But I have my Kotoko stuff here, as you can see. So we have a corner. This 35 minutes. We have a corner. Corner was taking shots. The Mora goes slow and it's a nice cross. Wow. The goalkeeper saves. I think Imori Ibrahim, all the shots we've had on target, our first shot on target is Imori Ibrahim. The first shot we have off target also Imori Ibrahim. Yes, the first shot we had on off target was Imori Ibrahim. Now we have had the first shot on target. Imori Ibrahim is trying those long range shots because Liberty professionals are not allowing us to enter into the penalty box. Hey, that's a foul! Referee didn't blow. Are you kidding me? I don't know where our referees. I don't know where our referees go for their training because that was a foul. Liberty professionals in a very serious. That's a goal. That's a goal. Evans Owusu have scored. Evans Owusu have scored. Evans Owusu have scored a goal. Evans Owusu have scored a goal. Evans Owusu have scored a goal. Evans Owusu, that's a goal for Liberty professionals. Evans Owusu have scored a goal. What a shot! I don't know. Balora should have saved that. Yes. Evans Owusu scored. Yes, Evans Owusu have scored. It's 1-0. That ball, he shot from outside the box, and Razak Balora should have saved that. Razak Balora should have saved that. But we deserved it. We deserved it. Our performance so far has been appalling. Performance so far has been appalling. Liberty professionals deserve the lead. They deserve the lead, and Kotoko have been so bad. When I say so bad, I mean so bad. This is worse, or I think the game against the Buswadoafs, our first half against Buswadoafs, this is worse than that particular game because we haven't done anything so far. Liberty professionals deserve the lead. It's 1-0. Evans Owusu, our former player. I told you that once Evans Owusu is playing against Kotoko. You see, Evans Owusu, I think that's his first goal. This is his first goal for Liberty professionals. It has to be his first goal for Liberty professionals, and I feel that anytime former players play against Kotoko, they tend to perform well because they want to show you that that they're a good player and you shouldn't have let them go. But the thing is that when they are Kotoko, they don't play well. See Evans Owusu, shambolic performance from Kotoko. It's almost 40 minutes. We haven't had any real chance to score. Or just disappointing. Seriously disappointing. Not happy with what I'm seeing so far. Not happy at all. So Liberty professionals, they have a free kick in a okay. Adamu tries to go long range, and Razak Balora watches as the ball go out for a goal kick. You see, they just found out that Razak Balora cannot deal with shots from outside the box. He was supposed to actually hit it very, very hard, but Razak Balora should have done better. Like I was expecting him to at least punch the ball out of the post, but that was a very, very poor goalkeeping, and we are behind. Unbelievable. The boys are playing as if they are tired. We are not following the players. It's just annoying. Oh my god. See, they are allowing Liberty professionals to handle the ball. They are allowing Liberty professionals to control the game. They are allowing Liberty professionals to have all the time they want on the ball, and it's just appalling. It is just annoying. I'm very angry. Liberty professionals created another chance and they almost scored, but it's out of a corner for Liberty professionals. You see, Mariana Barreto has been telling them, press, attack them, get the ball, attack, get the ball, attack, get the ball. That is what Mariana Barreto is telling them, but they are not doing that. What is going on? What is going on? Unbelievable. The other professionals, 40 minutes. Uh, they have a corner kick as a cross. Wow, how is that guy free? Oh my god. We are playing so bad. I wish you guys can see. Those of you that are not watching the game, I wish you can see what I'm saying. We are so bad, like awful. When I say awful, we are playing so awful. Evans also tries another shot, but he goes out for a goal kick. We are so bad, awful. You see what is going on? Once Kotoko get the ball, they move forward. Liberty professionals, they put the pressure on us. They press. They try to get the ball. Whenever they are not with the ball, they try to get that. But it's not the same for Kotoko. We are not doing the same thing. When we are not with the ball, we stand and watch them create chances and play. It's as if they have forgotten everything. Everything the coach has instructed them. It's just surprising, and I don't know. It's This is not something that horrible performance. I tell you, horrible performance. That's a foul. 43 minutes. As you can see, Liberty professionals are leading Kotoko by a goal to nil, and Kotoko are playing so bad. When I say so bad, it's not always Christmas. This is a bad attitude from us. The coach needs a lot more to do. Yes, Savo Sam, I don't know if it's the coach fault because the players are not. You see, Mario Barreto is telling them to press, to press, to press. When you are not with the ball, go for the ball, tackle, tackle. That is how you win games, but they are not doing that. As if they are not playing according to instructions. The way I'm saying it, Mariano Barreto might make some changes at halftime because right now they are not playing very well. Safo Samuel, is there any problem with players and the management? I'm not sure. I don't think the players have any problems with the management. I think the only thing the player and the management have now is contract renewals. And Samuel Frimpong so far, Samuel Frimpong. Oh, that is a yellow card. He stepped on him. Yes, he stepped on him. Yes. And Samuel Frimpong has accepted, what do you call it? Samuel Frimpong accepted a new contract, 2 years contract. Osman Ibrahim have also accepted. King Boateng, I believe Silas might play a role based on the way we are playing. King Boateng, I'm telling you that if we are tired, Liberty professionals should also be tired because they also play during the week. So I don't think it should be used as an excuse for this game. Liberty professionals also played in the midweek. We also play in the midweek. So both teams, if it's tiredness, both teams should be tired. It shouldn't be one-sided because right now Liberty professionals are controlling the game more than Kotoko, and it shouldn't be that way. And when we are off the ball, we are not showing the desire to win the ball back. Or Liberty professionals, when they are off the ball, they rush and make sure they get the ball before anything. That is not how it should be in this particular game. That is not how it should be. You mean the way Kotoko is they are not playing well. When we are not with the ball, we don't go for wow. But as you just tried a long range shot and almost get, almost got in. Wow, what a save! The goalkeeper saved that. He tried a long range shot and the goalkeeper saved that. That should have been 1-1. What a save! We have a corner. Kotoko have a corner right now. Wow, what a save! Alright, 2 minutes of added time. It's 45 minutes, 2 minutes of added time. So far, Kotoko are not playing very well. At all, at all. Kotoko are not playing very well. Oh, okay. Safu Sama says there is problem with players and management. Safo Taylor, it's not every time we don't play well that there is a problem with players and management. Sometimes it's just for the fact that the opponents offside. It's just sometimes it's just that the opponents are more better than us in terms of play. And if you know, Maria Barreto is blunt. If there's a problem between the players and management, he will tell you that the players are not focused. He will tell you with his own mouth. So I don't believe that there's a problem between the players and the management. Then Babas Luko says I'm yet to recognize the pattern of play in our current team. Well, in the first few games of Maria Berto, we had we had a good pattern and style of play, but right now, the past 3 games, it hasn't been the case, and we have not been playing very well. We have not been playing well at all. Yeah, change is needed. Our midfield is flat-footed. Our midfield is flat-footed, and I don't think what do you call it? And Kumi and Osman Ibrahim, they are not doing. They have not done anything so far up front. Osman Ibrahim and Kumi, they haven't had much service so far. Augustine Okra, Emmanuel Jimfi, those two players are not in the game at all. I don't think Augustine Okra is even fit because the way he's playing, he's not playing as someone that is fit. So I don't know. I, I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know why they're playing so far. All right, it's halftime. It's halftime. Let me make that clear in the text. Yes, Keke or Anabila on could change the game. Keke or Anabila on will change the game, I think. Okay, I think one of the strikers should be subbed off because we don't what do you call it? They haven't done anything so far. So halftime. All right, that was the halftime. That was the first half. We didn't play well. Let me give update on this thing on Twitter. If you're not following us on Twitter, go and follow our Daily Porcupine on Instagram, and Daily Porcupine on Facebook. So it's halftime. Kotoko zero, Liberty Professionals one. Scored by Ivan Sowusu, our former player. Overall, I think the first half is not what any Kotoko fan should be proud of. When we are off the ball, Kotoko tend to just allow Liberty Professionals to control the game, to get the ball, they have the time to make decisions. That's what Kotoko is not doing well. We are not putting pressure on them. We are not pressing them, and I'm not sure Marino Barreto will be happy with what he saw. The players, the desire, the hunger to play is not there anymore. So I feel that the first half, the two strikers we had there, they didn't get any supply or support from the midfield. So Emmanuel Jumfi, Augustine Aqua, they have been out of the game totally. I don't know what is going on. Then as for the defense, Razaka Balora, I think he should have done better, and the goal Evans supposed to score, he should have done way better. I think that, to me, I would have, if given, I would have given that goal as a goalkeeping error. I know Evans also hit the ball very well. The shot was too much, but he should have done better. Punched the ball out. Yes, he should have done much better because there is no way he should be allowing a shot like that to enter. He already made a mistake in the first early in the first half and almost allowed Bukhari to score a goal from outside the box. He came out to tackle the ball and sorry, I said Jimfi. I was talking about Andy Kumi. I'm sorry, I'm talking about Andy Kumi. What do you call it? Andy Kumi and Osman Ibrahim, they are not in the game. Did I make a mistake on the starting 11? Yeah, I think I made a mistake in the starting 11 because it should be Augustine Okura and Andy Kumi up front. But so far, so good. Osman Ibrahim is playing at the wings, and Andy Kumi has yet to take any shot on target. In fact, any shot at all. What do you call it? Osman Ibrahim is yet to take any shot on target at all. The only shot on target we have had is from Aimoro Ibrahim and Aimoro Ibrahim and Mudassiru, and all of them were from outside the box. We have not had any shot on target from inside the box. It shows you that Liberty professionals are playing in a compact manner, and they are trying their best to make sure that we don't get a win from this game. It will be a miracle for us to get a draw because so far Liberty professionals are dominating the game. They are running everything. That first half, they were remarkable. And if you see the performance they put out in that first half, you wonder why they are in the position they are right now. Because that kind of performance is not something that should be putting you in a battle for relegation. But I think miracles can happen, and Kotoko can step up in the second half and turn things around. Yes, we can do it. We just need one goal early in the second half, and we can squeeze out the other one later. But right now, Liberty professionals are dominating the game. Kotoko are not playing very well, allowing the openers to control the game. And Mariano Barreto will not be happy with that first half performance. So that is my overall summary of the first half. Sorry, Emmanuel Jimfi is not in this game. Let me edit that. Sorry, let me get this off. Alright. Let's replace it with okay. Alright, there. You know what? I've made a change. We should at least try to get a draw out of this game. Yeah, that's what I said earlier. That away games we shouldn't try um, like put more efforts to like go all out and concede goal. If at least we want at least, or if at all we want to settle for something like it should be a draw. We shouldn't lose any away game. I feel that our remaining game we shouldn't win and we shouldn't lose anyone because if we lose, it's not only weakens our chance to win the Ghana Premier League, it also wakens our own spirits because the players will not have the motivation to carry on. So I feel that we just really, really need to step up. Seriously, we need to step up. All right, Apostle Shadrach Bedu and in lesson says change and Kumi and bring Taylor. I don't think it will change anything. If you change Andikumi and bring Taylor, it's not that Andikumi has been missing chances. He's not been having the chance or the opportunity to score goals. The services are not coming. I think we need to bring a midfielder or someone that can control the game because right now our midfield get past easily. Habib Mohamed and Munasiru are not doing the work that is required of them. If Liberty get professional get the ball, we move back instead of to engage them. They move back, and I feel that we should get someone that can come in and control the game. We have Latif and Abila, we have Keke on the bench. Just tell the boys to not to stop Liberty professionals from playing anything. That is how you play game. You don't go into a game and expect you don't go into a game and expect your opponent to respect you because you're Kotoko. You don't know that in Ghana Premier League any teams can lose 300-0, but when they play with Kotoko, they play with all their heart, and after that they go back to the fault. So you shouldn't expect your opponent to come in into the game and have respect for you. You see how they're playing. Ivan Zowoso have not scored any goal this season. Ivan Zowoso have not scored any goal this season. I tell you that this is when he will turn up and become prime to the Alba. You see, he's scored a goal. I said it earlier. So, so I feel that so if you're joining us as Liberty Professionals 1, Asante Kotoko 0, we are not playing well so far. And it's not something anyone should be proud about. It's not something we should be proud about at all at all. It's just awful. It's awful. When I say awful, I mean really, really awful. Okay, most of you have gone on social media to see the goal Kotoko conceded. It's a very cheap goal, and Razaka Borora could have done better. Very cheap goal to concede. Very, very cheap goal. I think I know a lot of people a lot of people have been what do you call it? They've been on Rasaka Balora's case, and this will give them something to talk about. Seriously, people that are waiting for Razaka Balora to make mistakes. You see them coming out now. Let them try Felix Anna. Let them try Kwame Ba. Let them try this one. Let them buy a new goalkeeper. Let them sell this one. Let them. You see them very soon. They will start coming out to talk about it and talk about that. And you see how everybody will become divided. Opinions will be divided and all that. All right, please. All right, guys, I'm coming. Give me a. Apostle says, Kotoko have to win this match. We will give each player 500 CDs and change Razaka Valora. No. You can't change a keeper because he makes one mistake. So it is. I don't think it is. It will be wise for us to change Razaka Valora because of just one mistake. You can't change Razaka Valora because of one mistake. So I feel that now we should just have an improved second half and everybody will forget about Razaka Valora's mistake. So if you're live right now watching, please tell me where you're watching from so that I will know where the viewers are coming from. Tell me where you're watching the live stream from, and if you haven't subscribed, please do that right now and hit that notification bell. First to say we need this point. All right, second half just started. All right, Edum Frimpong is in. Edum Frimpong is in. Osman Ibrahim is out. Osman Ibrahim is out. Second half has started. Edum Frimpong is in. Osman Ibrahim is out. Fix Boateng says, I sent my message from Kumasi. Oh, okay. Maybe I'll visit Kumasi before the year runs out. Apostle says, Kotoko, we will need 2-1 win. Watching from CP Bambi, okay, for sure. Okay, we are going to win. We are going to win. Abalora is becoming unbecoming. This is about the third or fourth time he's considered such goal from. Okay, okay, okay. Abalora, I think I know a lot of people have been saying that he's becoming comfortable and over relaxed in his position and should be performing better. I agree, but we are in a crucial moment and this is not a time to change goalkeepers anyhow. We have to be very very careful if we want to change goalkeepers because if we make a very wrong decision, we might lose. Because I know that the ball is shot there, he should have saved it. Should have saved it. So right now, Edon Frimpong is in, Osman Ibrahim is out. Nate passes from Gamma tries a flick, but alright, we are now committed to we are now tackling the ball and pressing them in the second half. That's more like it. That's more like it. We are not pressing them now. It's more like it. True, yes, we are not pressing them. That's more like it. We've started the game. We have started the second half better than the way we started the first half, and we've had the ball. How is that a foul? 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 And referee gave him a yellow card. No, no. Our ref, our officiating is appalling. Our officiating is. How is that a yellow card offense? Yeah, because most of you want Balora to go off, but his clean sheet and his record for Kotoko is a very very good one, and taking him off won't make sense at all. All right, that's a far the ball. Follow. That's out. It's 50 minutes. Kotoko 0, Liberty Professionals 1. We've started the second half pretty well, better than the first half, but we are still trailing. That should have that should have been a yellow card, but the referee is blind. Christopher Native with the ball. Passes to Andikumi. Andikumi. Okay. We have some Frimpong. Some Frimpong is currently in the game. Ebugama is fouled. It's a free kick for Kotoko. We are not crossing the balls where we are not crossing the balls where we should have had some good crosses, but that's a foul, ref. Ah, God of mercy. Our referees are not good at all. That's a foul. Liberty professionals are right now with the attack. They pass the ball, but the goalkeeper comes to save. Are you? Oh, we were with the ball. We on the counter, and the referee stops the ball, and because Liberty professionals players on the floor. I don't know where our officials. I don't know where they learn their officiating, because the quality so far this season has been so poor, so poor. I don't know the criteria these people feel meet before they become referees, because some of the unbelievable. They're showing the goal. Razaka Barrow should have saved that. That was Razaka Barrow should have saved that ball. Seriously, Razaka Barrow should have saved that. That was a horrible goalkeeping. You should have made the save in that particular ball. Where are you going? Christopher Neto with the ball. Alright, we are now dominating the play. We are not dominating the play. Bring Michael to. We are now dominating the play. We are now dominating the play. We have made create some good chances, but so far the Liberty professionals are playing well. Apostle Shadrach, I think Okra has been. I'm not sure. I think it looks like Augustine Okra has been subbed off for Samuel Frimpong, because I'm seeing Samuel Frimpong right now. I think he has been subbed off for Samuel Frimpong. I mean Augustine Okra. 55 minutes is Liberty Professionals 1, Kotoko 0. Kotoko are playing more better in the second half compared to the first half, but they are yet to get the equalizer. That's a foul, yellow card. Give him a yellow card, referee. Ah. Go for the cross. Fill in the box and go for the cross. This is a yellow card. Officiating is awful. Officiating is awful. Seriously, that should have been a yellow card for the player that had a foul on this person. Officiating has been awful. As a free kick. Nice one. That's Habib. This is Fabio Gama with the ball. Habib with the ball. Habib passes to Safo Taylor. Safo Taylor is in. For those of you asking for Safo Taylor is in. think I'm getting it now. It looks like Edom Frimpong, Samuel Frimpong, and Safo Taylor. They are in right now because I'm not seeing Andrew Kumi anymore. I'm not sure. Start times are awful. They don't give information at halftime if a player has been subbed off. Start times are awful. Seriously, I didn't even know that Safo Taylor is in. Or as you can see, Safo Taylor is in the pitch right now, and he just had a touch on the ball. This is Fabigama with the ball. Well, Liberty professionals are now sitting back and soaking the pressure, and Kotoko are now attacking in the second half. The first half performance from the boys were awful, but Samuel Frimpong gets in, pass the ball. Oh my God. Poor touch from Andy Kumi. I think Osman Ibrahim is out. Augustine Okra is out. I don't know who the other person is. But we have Andy Kumi and Safo Taylor up front. Kingston Frimpong is coming, which means that Liberty professionals are coming to defend their lead against Kotoko. All right, right now, are you seeing what are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Are you guys seeing what I'm saying? Latif Anabela is in for Yusuf Mubarak, which means that Latif Anabela is doubling as a defensive midfielder and a centre back. Mariano Barreto is going all attack for this game, and we are playing with only one natural. Let's see. Safo Samuel, we have made a lot of changes. We have made 3 changes so far. We have brought in Samuel Frimpong, Safo Taylor, and Latif and Nabila. So Habib Mohammed has gone back to centre back. Latif and Nabila is now in the midfield. Nice. We are playing pretty well, but we just need a goal. And Nabila, yes, Nabila is. Safo Taylor with the shot. Oh! Safo Taylor tried to shoot from outside the box, but his shot goes wide. So for those of you that don't know, we Osman Ibrahim is out. I think Augustine Okra is out, and Yusuf Mubarak is out. We have Safo Taylor in. Safo Taylor is in. Samuel Frimpong is in, and Latif Anabela is in. Habib Mohammed has moved back to the centre back position alongside Abdul Ganiyu. So Yusuf Mubarak was out for Latif Anabela. Now Habib Mohammed is playing from the centre back position right now. Now Frimpong is playing at the wings, and he's crossed the ball. We don't have much body for that cross. Hey, are you kidding me? Our linesman, look, the linesman is blind. That's a goal kick. That is a goal kick. That's a goal kick. That is a goal kick. Officiating in Ghana Premier League, awful. For those of you who are joining, Kotoko playing Liberty Professionals, 60 minutes gone so far. Liberty Professionals 1, Kotoko 0. Corner for Liberty Professionals. Clear the corner. Another corner for Liberty Professionals. They are now putting pressure on us. Wow! Nate just made a goal line clearance. Liberty Professionals almost scored with a header, but Nate made a goal line clearance to deny them the second goal. Wow! What a let-off. What a let-off. Christopher Nate cleared the ball from the box, from the line. That should have been 2-0. 2-0. That's 2-0, but Nate just stopped the ball from the line. Wow. They allowed him, they removed Yusuf Mubarak and Liberty Professional starts winning header. That should have been a goal for Liberty Professional. That should have been a goal number 2 from Liberty Professionals, but if Christopher Nate cleared the ball from the line, wow. Unbelievable. You guys that are not watching the game, if you're watching this game, you feel that they are not playing well. You feel disappointed with the way the boys are playing so far, because right now they are not playing very well at all. How is that a foul? How is that a foul? How is that a foul? That should be a red card. That's a red card. That should be a red card. He has no. See, referee refused to give him a red card. He had a yellow card before. This should be a red card. This should be a second yellow card. This commentator is out of his mind. This is a foul. This should be a second yellow card for that guy. That should be a second yellow card for that guy. That should be a second yellow card and red card for that guy, but the referee doesn't know what he's doing. All for officiating. I don't understand what is going on in our Ghana Premier League. Basic things, the referee don't get them right. I don't know what is going on. It's not because Kotoko are losing. Even the games we win, you see me complain about the referees. Kotoko with the cross. Alright, Liberty Professionals are now sitting back and allowing us to attack when we've been trying to score the equalizer, but so far it's 65 minutes. Liberty Professionals 1, Kotoko 0. Idris Ibrahim, I think so far we are trying to get back into the game. I think what happened today was, what do you call it? Poor team selection. That is what happened to Kotoko today. Poor team selection. Everything that happened today is poor team selection. That is why Kotoko are losing right now because Augustine Agua was coming back from injury and he's being played. Emmanuel Jimfi is not. I think Emmanuel Jimfi is not fit for today's match. That is why he's not in the squad for today. But I think it's poor team selection. That is why Kotoko are losing because there's no way Augustine Akra, who is coming back from injury, will just walk into the team like that. You see how he performed in the first half. Horrible. And playing Osman Ibrahim at the wings doesn't make sense. Osman Ibrahim should be someone that plays in the striking position. Playing him at the wings doesn't make sense. So I think they're all what happened today is just sport. What is happening right now is sport team selection. What kind of cross was that? Mbori Ibrahim Mudassiru with the cross inside the box. And the Kumi, cleared away by the Liberty Professionals player. Mufa cleared the ball out. We've been threatening the second half, but so far Liberty Professionals are defending well and we haven't had a clear-cut chance in this second half to score a goal. Anabila to Fabegama. Fabegama in a very dangerous position. Latif Anabila, oh, he falls down. Penalty gets it out. Kotoko are currently threatening and dominating play. This is Mudassiru. He gets the ball. Cross the ball! Woof. Mudassiru is playing well in this second half. This is more like it from Kotoko because we are now dominating the game. Nete, corner kick. Much better the second half. Much better. We are now pressing them. We're looking for the equalizer. We're giving everything we have. What sort? Oh my god. That corner kick. Terrible corner kick. Whoever played that corner kick should think about what he just did. That was a terrible corner kick. Cecilia Miller says has to take over the top spot by the end of the day. That your prayer won't work, Cecilia Miller. Kobe Apia says, why can't Kotoko try long range? Okay, retracted. Let's wait for Lady 10 message. Cecilia Miller, your prayer won't work. That is a nice ball. Oh, almost perfect. "70 minutes gone, Liberty Professionals 1, Asante Kotoko 0. And the Kumi could have done better there to score that goal. This commentator is talking about Adekumi, saying Adekumi is a striker that can play with another striker before he performs well. all the goals he's been scoring, he has been playing as a lone striker. I don't know what the commentator is talking. He's scored about 3 or 4 goals so far, and he's been playing as a lone striker. The commentator doesn't know what he's talking about. As Kotoko's performance, yes, Matthew Achimpong, Kotoko have very well and they're dominating. Uh, Liberty Professionals are trying to hit us with a counter, but Kotoko have improved very, very well compared to the first half. Kotoko have improved very well and they are dominating the play right now. Kotoko to win by 2 goals to 1. Prince Yeboah, wow, if that happens, I'll be the happiest man. But it's 72 minutes now, and time is not on our side. Time is not on our side at all. At all, at all. Time is not on our side. So I feel that if we are going to win 2-1, it's a miracle. If we get a draw from this match, you should be happy. That's what. Ow! Goal kick. "73 minutes, Kotoko 0, Liberty 1. It's Fabio Gama. Fabio Gama. Oh, Fabio Gama tries to find Safu Taylor, but Amori Ibrahim crossed the ball inside the box. Gabriel Ahin says Kotoko should work very hard to come back 2-1. Please, if you are watching right now and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Subscribe. I'll be posting a match review after the game. Whoa. Liberty Professionals are making changes and bringing more players. So Habib Mohammed just made a terrible mistake, and he just lucky that they made a mistake. Habib Mohammed just made a terrible mistake in the centre back position. Wow, that was a let off. So if you're joining, as you can see, Wendy Kumi is still in the game. Osman Ibrahim was removed for Safu Taylor. Augustine Okra was removed for Samuel Frimpong. and Latif and Nabila came in for Yusuf Mubarak. It's still Liberty Professionals 1, Kotoko 0. 76 minutes played so far. This is Fabio Gama. Fabio Gama. Anabila tries to pass for. Now, Liberty Professionals are just shooting the ball out. Once they get the ball, they ball it out. Kotoko should just remain focused and try continue to, badger them, and definitely we are going to get a goal. Manuel will say we look fabulous. Q thousands will come. Surely we shall win the league. Yes, we are hoping to win the league. We just need to get the equalizer here first, please. Pray that we should get the equalizer. That's a foul. That should be a yellow card. Ooh, took a deflection. That's a corner. Savotela almost got a goal. He shot from outside the box and he almost got a goal, but his ball has been deflected out, and it's a corner kick for Kotoko. Amor Ibrahim to Anabila. This Mudassiru. Mudassiru Anabila to Gama. Give him the ball. Oh, I know what he was trying to do, but officiating is awful. He saw that the ball was out, that's why he fell down. Emmanuel will say we're watching all the way from Johannesburg, South Africa. I love Fabulous. Thanks for joining us, Emmanuel. Thanks for joining us. Please subscribe if you haven't. Let me see if I wear this on my head, if we are going to get the equalizer after I wear this on my head. Nathan Manu says at least a draw will be good. Definitely a draw will be good for Kotoko. That is what I want right now, because if we can get a goal, because this is 80 minutes, 10 more minutes left, and pass the ball to the midfield. Isn't that a penalty? That should be a penalty then. If you blow a foul, that should be, let me see. Okay, it's outside the box. Outside the box. It's outside the box. Outside the box. 18 minutes, Liberty 1, Kotoko 0. Simon says you're watching all the way from Eastleigh. Thanks for joining, Simon. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please do right now, and click the notification bell. After the game, I'll be posting my match review and probably ratings. I didn't do ratings last week. I will probably do it this week. So we have a free kick in the dangerous area. This is 82 minutes. Kotoko have a free kick in a dangerous area. Go! 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 Habrugani with the goal. Go! 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 It's 1-1. Abdul-Ghani has scored. Go! Wow! What a header! Go! 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 What a goal! Abdul-Ghani with the header. That's a goal. They have 8 minutes left on the clock, and Kotoko might win this game. So let's press them. Abdul-Ghani with the equalizer. Go! Wow! Can't believe it. It's a goal. We've equalized. I told you that we are going to equalize. Hopefully, we stay now away. Yes, we have 8 more minutes. We can actually get a winner. Go. Oh! Wow! Wow! Liberty Professionals almost scored. Almost scored. Wow! Liberty Professionals almost scored their second goal. What a save by Raza Kabalora. What a save. That was a very good save. Prince Yeboah, yes, one more goal to go. One more goal to go. Nathan Manu, let's go. Let's go. Emmanuel Ato, it was Abdul Ganiu that scored the goal. Abdul Ganiu scored the goal with a beautiful header from the free kick. Abdul Ganiu with the goal. Equalizer is Abdul Ganiu. What a pass! That's a foul! That's a foul! That's a foul! That's a foul. It should be a red card. That's a foul. It should be a red card. That's a foul. It should be a red card. 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 And Nkumi was fouled. He was the last man, and the referee failed to give a yellow card or a red card. Unbelievable. The officiating in Ghana Premier League is so bad. Wait. Are you serious? He gave a foul against Nkumi that was pulled. I can't believe what is going on. Wow. Officiating in Ghana Premier League is... unless that is an offside, to say that's a foul for this thing is... Alright, 85 minutes gone. Liberty 1, Kotoko 1. Goal by Abdul Ganiu from the beautiful header. That's an offside. Ah, and the Gumi should have let. Ah, come on! It was too easy to pass that ball for. Wow, they almost scored a goal. Abdul Ganiyu. Wow, what a tackle! Abdul Ganiyu just stopped them from scoring. What a tackle from Abdul Ganiyu. Captain fantastic. Captain fantastic. Abdul Ganiyu is a captain fantastic. For those of you watching, how many? What's the scoreline for Mediama game? What's the scoreline for Mediama game and Great Olympics game? If you are watching and you know the scoreline for Mediama game and Great Olympics game, please put down in the comment section and tell me. Tell me in the comment section what is the scoreline for Mediama game and Great Olympics game. I don't know. And I better passes to Samuel Frimpong. Samuel Frimpong with the ball. Tries a cross. Oh, it's cleared out. Go and tackle him. Don't allow him to make a decision. That's a foul ball. That's a handball. Ash Gold Olympics, very good, very good, very good. What about for Mediama? Mediama losing 2-0. Please clarify that for me. Good. Thank you, Edwana Stars. Thank you very much. And then we just need a win. We just need a win here. Just push, push. Almost 89 minutes here. 89 minutes here. 1-1. Liberty Professionals, Kotoko, 1-1. I think next season start time should work on getting more cameras to get more camera angles, because this back of post and sideways camera angle is not the best. Evans also wants to fight. Evans also wants to fight with Fabio Gama. Fabio Gama doesn't know that he was a former player. Emmanuel will say, thank you for telling me that. Ooh. We have 3 minutes of stoppage time. 3 minutes of stoppage time. It's Fabio Gama. Oh, Safo Taylor, why? Oh, the officiating today is Max. I called you. The officiating today has been awful. Not good at all. The officiating has been awful today. Officiating today, they are awful. Eighty-two minutes. 1 minute. 1 minute left before the how do you call it? Final whistle blows. Gabriel Ahim, thanks for that. It's full time. Kotoko. Final whistle. Kotoko. One. All right. That was the game. That was the game. That was Liberty versus Kotoko 1-1. I think we could have won this game. Mariano Barreto got it wrong today with the changes he's made, or the players he started, sorry. I think the game changed when he brought new players on the pitch, and that is where I think we should credit him. But I know he won't receive that credit because he as a coach should know that some players are not fit, and he should know the players that are capable to play well. So right now, as we're just lucky that the what do you call it? The opponents are not winning, and we've got a point while they have got none. A win would have sealed our place in the top of the table right now, but we have to take it because we fought hard to get that point, so we have to take it. So I think at least we had a point, and it should be something that we should the positive we should get from this game. The second half sub made the changes, made the difference. Some Frimpong coming in and Latif and Abila controlling the midfield and giving some good passes. Uh, Safu Taylor was not that good. I don't think he was that good. He was not that good when he came on, and overall it was a game that we could have won. Just that Mariano Barreto gambled, and it cost us 2 points. So it's just like we just worked very hard and got to that point. And I think that is it for today. So I would like to know your thoughts. Put on the comment section, and thanks for joining me. Thanks for joining me. Imana Ato says you're in the US and appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Emmanuel. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So I think that's all for today. I'm going to do the match review right now. Please subscribe if you haven't and click notification bell. Thank you guys for joining the live stream today. Thank you guys very much for joining the live stream. I think I'll be ending the live stream now. So I'll see you guys in the match preview.